I always wanted to do like a sneaker unboxing, so I'm gonna try to make it look really cool. We got some fire today. What is up, guys? It's your boy Luey G, back at it again. Today we got a sneaker unboxing. Today I took a L, unfortunately, on the Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year. I really wanted to cop those sneakers, but on the plus side I did cop some hype fire. So today I'm going to show you guys a quick little unboxing, and in the next video I'm going to show you guys the on feet and how to style them. So let's get right into it. Woo! We got some fire, man. Ooh. By the way, shout out to my plug, Angelo, my barber also, the plug, whatever you want to call him. He hooked your boy up with some fire. We got a pair of YEEZY 350s. Now, these recently restocked, and I'm pretty sure by that you already know what they are. On release day, I wanted to cop them for my girl, but I couldn't because they sold out on her size. But once again, shout out to my barber, Angelo, the plug, for hooking me up and selling it to me for under retail. First time actually seeing these like in person, like in the box. So this is my first like reaction from seeing them. Like I've seen them on feet, but not like I've never held them in hand. Put that bad boy right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ooh, what size are these? Please tell me these are my size. They are my size, alright. Ooh, so we got the cream YEEZY V2s, man. I needed to replace my all-white Ultra Boost 3.0s, and I'm gonna throw those in the garbage, but these man I'm gonna beat these things up, man. Cause you know, I like my zebras, I like wearing them, but sometimes they're a little bit too loud, and they just, not that they don't go with any outfit, sometimes I just want an all-white plain sneaker, and like I said before, these are easily gonna replace my Ultra Boost 4.0 whites. These are probably my everyday essential sneaker. These are probably gonna be my everyday sneaker, in all honesty. They're hyped, they're a pair of Yeezys, Boost technology in them, and they're just, overall it's clean, man. You know, like it's just subtle detail. I don't know, you can kind of see the supply 350 in the stitching a little bit. I don't know if you can kind of tell, but they're right there. You can barely see them. But these are just the, like I said, man, just clean sneaker. And once again, shout out to my plug for hooking your boy up straight out the box, really clean. And overall, I like them, man. All white prime knit upper all across the sneaker, very standard. But for this sneaker, I feel like it's a sneaker that says so much by saying so little. And what I mean by that is, yeah, it's an all white sneaker, but at the same time, it's a YEEZY. So obviously, you know, people are gonna see you rocking it like, okay, it's an all white sneaker, but it's a YEEZY. So which is why I stand by my claim that it says so much by just showing so little. And that pretty much wraps it up for the quick little unboxing video for the cream YEEZY V2 350. Next video I'm going to come out with is how to style my Yeezys. So I'm going to show you guys how I style my zebras and my creams. Just a couple outfits, you know, just a couple ideas you guys can use when you guys are wearing Yeezys. I'm also going to do a video on how to lace them too. But yeah, let me know if you guys are rocking with the cream Yeezys, man. These are just real dope, paid under retail. You can't beat that. So let me know if you guys are feeling them, man. And that's pretty much it for the video. I will catch you guys next time on the next one. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you are new, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.